Hello and welcome. Today we will talk about the land of the moon, the near study with the footage of the moon, and we will better know about the facts and figures. Before starting the study, please subscribe our channel. By this you will get the interesting facts about the world of silent space. And tell me in the comments what will be the next video. Let's get started. Let's start with the origins of the moon. Scientists believe the moon formed about 4.5 billion years ago, not long after the Earth. The most widely accepted theory is the giant impact hypothesis. According to this theory, a Mars-sized body called Theia collided with the early Earth, and the debris from this massive impact coalesced to form the moon. The moon has since played a crucial role in stabilizing Earth's axial tilt, which has helped create a stable climate over geological timescales. Additionally, the moon's gravitational pull is responsible for the ocean tides we experience on Earth. Next, let's dive into the physical characteristics of the moon. It has a diameter of about 3,474 kilometers, which is roughly 1/4 the size of Earth. The moon has a very thin atmosphere, known as an exosphere, composed of helium, neon, and hydrogen. The moon's surface is marked by a variety of features, including craters from meteor impacts, vast plains called maria, and mountain ranges. One of the most striking aspects of the moon is its phases, which result from its orbit around Earth. These phases, new moon, crescent, first quarter, gibbous, and full moon, repeat in a cycle of about 29.5 days. Human fascination with the moon dates back centuries, but it wasn't until the 20th century that we truly began to explore it. The space race between the United States and the Soviet Union led to unprecedented achievements in space exploration. In 1959, the Soviet Union's Luna 2 became the first human-made object to reach the moon. This was followed by a series of missions, both manned and unmanned. However, the most iconic moment came on July 20th, 1969, when NASA's Apollo 11 mission successfully landed astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin on the lunar surface. Armstrong's famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," echoed around the world. Subsequent Apollo missions continued to explore the moon, collecting valuable samples and conducting scientific experiments. In total, 12 astronauts walked on the moon's surface during 6 Apollo missions between 1969 and 1972. The moon's geological history is incredibly rich and diverse. Its surface is divided into two main types of terrain, the highlands and the maria. The highlands are older, heavily cratered regions, while the maria are younger, smoother plains formed by ancient volcanic eruptions. The moon's crust is primarily composed of oxygen, silicon, magnesium, iron, calcium, and aluminum, with small amounts of other elements. The rocks brought back by the Apollo missions have provided valuable insights into the moon's composition and geological history. One fascinating discovery is the presence of water ice in permanently shadowed craters near the moon's poles. This has significant implications for future lunar exploration and the possibility of sustaining human presence on the moon. Looking ahead, the moon continues to be a focal point for space exploration. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the moon by 2024, with the goal of establishing a sustainable presence by the end of the decade. This will involve building the Lunar Gateway, a space station that will orbit the moon and serve as a hub for lunar operations. International collaborations are also in the works, with agencies like ESA, Roscosmos, and CNSA planning their own missions. These efforts aim to explore new regions of the moon, such as the South Pole, which is believed to have abundant water ice. Moreover, Private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are developing technology to support lunar exploration and even potential lunar tourism. The Moon, with its rich history and promising future, continues to captivate our imagination and drive our quest for knowledge. From its formation billions of years ago to the upcoming Artemis missions, our journey with the Moon is far from over. Thank you for joining us on this lunar adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow space enthusiasts, and subscribe to your channel name for more captivating content about the cosmos. Until next time, keep looking up.